Kelly. Over there is Alec Watson, there's Pia Kadar, and we're going to be telling you about one of the 6 groups that moved west for many reasons. The main reason was that the Americans wanted their borders to be the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, like it is now. That belief was called Manifest Destiny. I'm going to be telling you about Joseph Smith, the first leader of the Mormons and the founder of the Church of Jesus Christ of St. Latter-day Saints. He was killed in a mob attack on the jail where he was being held in. He was arrested and killed for it because they didn't believe he got messages from God. Now here's Tina to tell you about our map.
As you can see, the Mormons started off of Ohio, and they moved west to Illinois. And the reason for that was because, as you can see on the map, they started from Ohio, moved to Illinois. And then Joseph Smith got a message from God saying that he was going to make a new kingdom, but it was going to make a new kingdom for religious freedom, and then they got sent out, and they moved west to Illinois. And now here's Tia to tell you more about the Mormons.
As the Mormons were traveling through states, they would stop in places, and they would build dams, and they would dig ditches. Right here, we're starting to build a well, but we haven't finished it yet. They would also plant gardens like what we have here and what we have over there. And now, I want everyone to come and gather around this object right here. What does this look like to you guys?
A skull.
Skull. Correct. It's a buffalo skull, and there's something special in it, or on it. Yeah. The Mormons would write notes in buffalo skulls for other Mormons to find. And now here are our tools we use. This is the shovel we would use to dig stuff. And right here is the saw we would use to cut down logs to make our cabins. And now here is Alec to tell you more about the handcart.
That hand wagon over there was very important to the European Mormons because they did not have money to buy wagons and oxen and horses, so they would have to carry all their personal belongings and hand wagons like those to get them to Utah. And the wagon is made of wood with wood tires and handles, and you carry it like this, and you would walk on the trail to Utah. The Mormons saying we will give up our personal goals to help the Mormon community basically means we will give up our lives, our belongings, and our achievements to serve God and help the Church of Mormonism. Now here's Pia to start off the quiz.
Okay, now we're gonna make a quiz to see if you guys remember what we've just said. Here's Kurt to lead you with the first question.
Who was the founder of the Church of Jesus Christ of St. Latter-day Saints, and what happened to him?
Joseph Smith, and he died in a mob thing in jail.
Yeah, correct. Now here's Cena to tell you the second.
What was the reason that the Mormons moved west? Yes.
Yeah.
And now here's Alec to tell you the third question.
Why were the hand wagons one of the most important tools to get the personal belongings of the Mormons to Utah?
Because they didn't have money to buy oxen and wagons.
Okay. And now, the fourth and last question. What did the settlers use to spread messages to other Mormons?
Three notes and skulls.
Correct. And now here's Kurt to lead us out.
I hope you learn something about the Mormons. Now please go. I hear the church bell ringing. He has to leave.